Assalamu alaikum my dear friends. Today we are going to discuss about the Erasmus Mundus scholarship program and Chemical Nanoengineering program. So this is a 2-year program at 3 partner universities in France, Poland and Italy and began intensive training in nano and chemical engineering program. So chemistry for nanoengineering is an initiative field of science and technology which is developing very fast. The 2016 Nobel Prize in Chemistry shows the importance of the research in this area. It has shown that engineering of the nanomachines is not anymore a science fiction, it's just the beginning of a new engineering specialty where nanosystems can be numerically designed and chemically synthesized. These new technologies will create a large demand for specialists in this field. So this is a nano engineering scholarship program under the Erasmus scholarship program. So click on it, applications. So step 5 admissions are your recommendations letter, your verifications of admission criteria. You must have a bachelor degree in chemistry, physics, mechanical, chemical engineering, electronics engineering, material sciences, etc. And GPA 75%, a good command of English. So go to application form. So applications are open. You can apply until 16 May 2025 for this Erasmus scholarship program in chemical nanoengineering. Click on applications open on 1st October 2024. You can apply until 16 May 2025. Click on apply. So firstly you have to create your account if you have new user. So you can select the company CNE student application 2025. After that you can log in your account. So this is my application for this CNE application. Click on it. So you have to complete this personal information, language requirement, reference and recommendations, motivation, education and academic results, scholarship attachments, your country of birth, Pakistan. So you have to complete all these steps one by one. After that you can submit your application form. So this is the scholarship. So do you wish to apply to an Erasmus scholarship program? Yes. Are you citizens of a third world country? Yes. Are you resident in any European country? No. So friends, in this way you can apply for the scholarship program, avail this opportunity and complete all this information very carefully and apply this chemical nanoengineering program and share this video with your other friend circle. Thank you so much guys for your support. Take care. Allah Hafiz.